Because a bird just shat on my head. Just shat on my head.
Shame.
Okay, look now. You want to be
Shame.
Today we are in Dubrovnik in the old town and we're going to go for Game of Thrones tour. Meanwhile, I need to get some drinks. It is boiling hot. Shiny because it's been polished for thousands of years, people walking on these stones. And if you're trying to stretch,
tremendous worldwide phenomena these days on such a small town as Dubrovnik actually is. Dubrovnik, with all of the suburbs, is a town of 35 to 40,000 people, ladies and gentlemen, which means it's quite small. And when we speak about the impact of Game of Thrones, it's literally enormous. From 2012 to 2015, we are experiencing more than 75,000 people arriving here just because their favorite TV show has been filmed within these walls.
It's nice down there. Stay here.
Yeah.
do we have to go?
No, I'm now gonna give you actually a little break time so you can kind of like walk through the dungeons.
These dungeons are for sure the best part of the tour. They're very cool and very cool.
Get Tommen and Cersei taking a walk. This is during the era where Tommen has been engaged to Marjorie. Marjorie is obviously pulling the strings from behind. She's trying to influence Tommen. She's trying to get rid of Cersei. In this section here, we're gonna get Mountain slaughtering some convicts here. And then, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be approached by Cersei. We're gonna have a better vantage point. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jaime's return from the King's Road. Jaime Lannister, as you can see him here, he has lost his hand. So once more, approach, don't be shy. Walk of shame, ladies and gentlemen. Eddie doing the naked part of the walk of shame. We're gonna get a body double here, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm the luckiest woman in Dubrovnik because a bird just shat on my head. Just shat on my head. Trying to get the pigeon poo out of my hair.